Today we will be talking about some nice, good accessories you should consider buying for your Mavic Air drone. Everybody, in today's episode, my name is Damien, my son is Xaveri. Together we do photography and videography blogs. Me trying to get my son into photography and videography, and just to get something different out, right?
Yep.
Today we will be talking about some nice, good accessories you should consider buying for your Mavic Air drone. So first, a lot of people say it's one of the most important things is getting some ND filters. When we were buying our drone, we got everything from the same company with a lot of accessories. So we got everything from the Ultimax company.
Ultimax TM.
We're not pros, so I don't see any difference between a cheap Ultimax company and very expensive companies. ND filters are a must if you want to keep your shutter speed low and get that cinematic video out of your drone. The second thing is, I think one of the most important also, we also got it from Ultimax in the set, is a landing pad for your drone, of course. We got something like this. It's a big pad, it's rubberized, it's heavy, right? Take it.
It's not heavy a lot, but a little bit.
Not too heavy, but a little heavy, yes.
Yeah.
And with that comes some reflective stickers and some pins to pin down your landing pad to the ground. That's also something good to have. Also, we got this, of course, in the set also, but this is actually the original from DJI. I don't know if it comes with every drone, but a carrying case is always good to have. And it's an extra set of propellers. You should have some propeller guards also. They're very important to protect your drone. I think they come in the original set. I don't know what comes originally with the drone and what doesn't, but it's something good to have. These extended landing gear. That I know that I don't think it comes with the drone because they got the Ultimax logo on them, so I guess it's not originally DJI. Regular landing gear is these short landing gear. It's very close to the ground. If you got uneven surface, it could have a hard time landing or something. These extended landing gear go on very easily, and on the front landing gear, they go on very easily on the existing landing gear. To extend it, it just clips on very easily, just like that. It extends the landing gear so it's higher off from the ground, as you can see. And they're made, these are made at least in a way that if you add propeller guards, they fit on each shoulder. They're spaced perfectly. You can put on the propeller guards and the extended landing gear all at once to keep your drone safe. That would be all in today's episode. I guess that's the most important accessories, except extra batteries and what we also got in the set. The original joysticks are like silver or black, something like that. We got those cool looking red joysticks that you could replace. They look cool. Also on the remote, you could get any color. I seen online you could buy them in a lot of colors.
Green.
Yeah, you can buy them a lot of different colors. That's something cool you could have also. Thank you for watching this video.
Subscribe, leave a like, hit the notification button so you get notified when a new video comes out.
Remember to subscribe and see you in the next video.
Bye!